All right, so continue on in 6.5 here. We're going to find the area of the shaded region here. To do that, you have to take the area of that outer rectangle and subtract the area of the inner rectangle there. So the area here, we can go ahead and take 5x plus 8 times 6x plus 2, because that will give me the area of the bigger rectangle there. And then I got to subtract off the area of the inner rectangle there, which is 5x times x plus 6. So the first part there I'm going to have to FOIL out. First terms here, 5x times 6x, 30x squared. Outer terms, 5x times 2 there is 10x. Inner terms, 8 times 6x is 48x. And last terms, 8 times 2 is 16. And then I have to take and distribute the 5x through the minus 5x. So minus 5x times x is a minus 5x squared. And then that negative 5x times 6 there is a minus 30x. Don't forget to distribute the minus 5x through the parentheses there. So many people say it's plus 30x and it's not. All right, so now let's simply combine our like terms here. We've got a 30x minus a 25x squared. A 30x squared minus a 5x squared gives you a 25x squared. And then we've got a 10x plus 48x minus 30x. So 58 minus 30 there gives us 28x. And then I still have that constant there of 16. So there we have the area of that shaded region. So just the area of the shaded in part there is 25x squared plus 28x plus 16. So next one here, we're going to be finding the volume of the box. So this time you got to know how to find volume. Volume of the box is just simply length times width times height. So we can put those in any orders we want. X. So let's put our values in here. We've got x times x plus 1 times x plus 2. And you get to decide what you want to do first. Since I've got a monomial here, we could just FOIL out this here and then multiply the monomial through at the end. So FOILing that out, x times x here is x squared. X times 2 here is 2x. Inner terms here, 1 times x is 1x, or just x. And then last terms, 1 times 2 here is 2. Combine those middle terms there. We get x squared plus 3x plus 2. And then distribute the x through, we get x to the third plus 3x squared plus 2x. So there we end up there with the volume of the box. Got another volume of the box problem here. Same sort of thing here. Just to find the volume, we just do length times width times height. So again, order doesn't matter when you put them in here. So n times n plus 2 times n plus 4. And again, because I got a monomial here on the out, just the n, I'm going to do that last. So I'm going to go ahead and FOIL out the parentheses there. First terms here, n times n is n squared. Outer terms, n times 4 here is 4n. Inner terms, 2 times n is 2n. And last terms, 2 times 4 here is 8. Combine those middle terms there. We get n squared plus 6n plus 8. Distribute the n through. We get n to the third plus 6n squared plus 8n. So there we have the volume of the box. Hopefully pretty simple for you. N to the third plus 6n squared plus 8n. So on the second side of that worksheet, you should be enabled now to finish up the second side there.